Welcome to the E84 Challenge. My name's Josh Higginbotham, and I want to show you something today that could literally change your life. You know, how would you like to earn prizes, rewards, cash, and maybe even trips for getting healthier? This is 84 days to a healthier new you. By becoming a promoter of the E84 Challenge, you will have access to all the support, tools, and training that we provide to help you reach whatever goal you may have. We have Evolve members sharing the E84 Challenge with our unique products like Evolve Limitless, just so they can get their products for free with the 1-2 Free program. We now have as many customers joining us every day as we do members. This is an excellent stat, as it shows that we have products and a program that people really want with or without an opportunity. However, the opportunity is life-changing, and we have members who are sharing the E84 Challenge with friends, family members, and colleagues, starting their own movement and generating significant wealth in as short as 84 days. We have members who are earning anywhere from a few $100s a week to tens of thousands of dollars a month. As we expand from 7 countries into 100 countries over the next 10 years, we know that the opportunity to help other people evolve is, well, limitless. Retail customer sales, weekly Fast Start bonuses, and overall commissions on weekly sales volume are just some of the ways Evolve members earn weekly. As you begin to move around our Evolve Wealth board game and earn higher rank titles, you also participate in the industry-leading Check Match bonus program, where you can earn a percent of every check earned in your group each week. One of the most exciting programs we offer for those who join Evolve as a member is an industry-leading program called Evolve Driven. We all know that your car payment is one of the highest monthly payments that you have. That is why with Evolve, we would like to take care of that payment for you. We would even like to get you into a new evolved car like our white Mercedes-Benz program. In just 84 days after launching this program, we have seen huge success as the number of people qualifying for the Evolve Driven program has grown significantly. No company offers what we offer at Evolve, where we give a bonus of $400 cash toward a member's current car payment or $600 every 4 weeks for your beautiful white Mercedes-Benz. And that is just the start. As you help more people and make a bigger impact, the Evolve Driven program grows to $1,200 every 4 weeks, then up to $3,000 every 4 weeks. Evolve is about living an evolved life. That means better health and also having better wealth. To do the things you want to do. Life is about experience. It's the journey. And we have a special incentive program called Evolve Experiences, where each year we take hundreds of Evolve members on 5-star luxury vacations to enjoy the experiences of life. Great people and tons of fun. You can see that we have a huge goal, an important goal in front of us. 8.4 million people. And that is only our first goal. We can't do this alone. So I invite you to join us here at Evolve. Become a member and start the journey and own your own home-based business. Enjoy the tax benefits you can receive by running your own home business. And most importantly, enjoy the benefits that come with helping other people evolve. Our company founders, Trey White and Brent Hicks, have achieved the highest levels of success at young ages. Trey built his first major success to a $9 billion valuation. Both of these remarkable business leaders have a new passion, and it is you. It is helping you succeed and helping others to improve their health and wealth. There is a saying I love: the more people you help get what they want, you will get more of what you want. Help us in helping others evolve, and you will see just how true this statement is. Thanks again for investing your time and learning about Evolve. I hope you will make the decision to evolve your health and wealth and join us today as we take the Evolve movement to 8.4 million people. Pick which one you want to do. Take the challenge. Take the challenge and get your product for free, or get paid to promote the challenge. Come and join us.